Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 6 days ago, to be precise on September 24th of this year, when the price of this asset was at pre-market hours at $5.68, and I told you that we were scratching the range of resistance, and most likely, based on the previous price action, most likely we should have the breakout above the range of resistance, and in this case we had to land at higher targets at $6 or even $6.5 marks. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point and I told you that the breakout, let me show you this in details. We were at this point and I told you that the breakout above the range of resistance should be with the support of volume, and take a look right here. Here is the volume on regular hours with the breakout of the range $5.66. And we didn't break this range to the downside. We retested this as the range of support. Let me mark it like this. We retested this range as the range of support and went higher. On top of that, guys, the next range of resistance was at $6.05. We retested it twice. Again on September 26th and on aftermarket hours and pre-market hours on September 27th. And with the conviction of volume, we broke it to the upside. And this was the huge movement that led. Let me show you that from the previous point where I made my previous video, this asset gained to its highest point about 43% in a matter of just 6 days. Mind-blowing movement. And guys, I have to say that this breakout was very crucial for NIO, and in my technical analysis I will show you why I think so. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, and let's take a look again on its price action. Why these breakouts are very important for NIO? First of all, these breakouts happened with the huge increase in volume. Secondly, we broke its previous swing high. That was the crucial point, crucial previous swing high. Let me switch to 4 hours time frame. You can see that we broke this range, and we are hitting the next range of resistance at $7.35. For now we are in consolidation phase, but this sign is very important for the long-term holders, because on the grand scheme of things we established new higher highs and higher lows. And in just several minutes I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint. But for now, guys, take a look on some of its fundamentals. First of all, I have to say that NIO broke its consensus analyst price target according to TipRanks and market beat. They set it at $5.93 and $5.97 respectively. That is why we have to see the reiterations of these ratings, or we have to keep in mind this price target as well. On top of that, the most important news is this one. Deutsche Bank gives a positive read on NIO China's new financing. And guys, this news is so important, that is why let me quote you this entirely. NIO announced earlier today that NIO China has secured a new investment from investors from Hefei and Hui Provence, which in Deutsche Bank's view is favorable to the stock price. We consider the above-mentioned 3.3 billion RMB fundraising in NIO China positively, as this move reduces some investors' concerns on the immediate share dilution in NIO list co. Analyst Wang Bing's team said in a research note sent to investors today. In other words, we expect the share price to react positively on the NIO China's fundraising, the team said. NIO announced today that it has entered into definitive agreements with 3 strategic investors in Hefei for an investment in NIO China, in which it holds a 92.1% controlling stake. The 3 existing strategic investors will invest a total of $470 million in cash to subscribe for newly issued shares in NIO China. At the same time, NIO will invest a total of RMB 10 billion in cash for newly issued shares in NIO China. Upon completion of the investment transaction, NIO will hold a controlling 88.3% stake in NIO China, and the strategic investors, together with other existing shareholders, will hold the remaining 11.7% stake in NIO China. NIO also has the right to invest an additional RMB 20 billion to subscribe for additional shares in NIO China by December 31st, 2025. At the same time, at the same price and on the same terms as investment transaction. Wang Sting believes the move is favorable to NIO's share price due to the reduced risk of immediate share dilution. And guys, this is the important part, immediate share dilution. So far, NIO received about $500 million of additional cash in order to achieve their short and medium-term goals, but the dilution potentially might happen somewhere in future. That is why we have to be cautious with the long-term holdings. And guys, I have to admit that if we zoom out, and by the way, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if we zoom out and turn off all the tools, we have the next range of resistance that is right here at roughly 9.5 all the way up to, let's say, $10 mark. And at the same time, guys, take a look on the latest daily candle. It is extremely bearish because it is a red candle. It has the highest volume among all the candles that we can see basically for at least a couple of years. And I have to admit that it is quite scary. So, and what should we expect next in the short-term perspective? As you can see, for now, NIO is up by about 5.39%. It is in consolidation phase, and if you take a look on indicators, NIO is still quite bullish. But guys, I have a lot of doubts that this movement will continue to some higher levels. And according to Elliott wave theory, let's take a look right here. If this was the first initial wave, this was the second. Let me show you, let me delete unnecessary tools, and let me show you, again, I don't need this line. Let me show you what potential price target this asset might hit. If I pull the fib extension tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave and to the bottom of the retracement, we might land at the extension of 1.618. And this range is about $8.46. This means theoretically we can land here, and in this case we will confirm this type of breakdown. Let me show you like this. This entire movement will be the first wave. This is the second. Somewhere at the top we will have the top of our third wave. Then we have to see the retracement. And with this top, when this top is formed, I will show you the potential levels of its retracement. For now it is just a blueprint of its movement. And then we might have another leg to the upside that will land again somewhere higher. And I don't know for now where it might land. Let's upgrade the degree of this wave in order to diversify from its smaller scale wave. So this is the blueprint of its movement. But guys, first of all, we have to confirm the breakout above $7.35. Only in this case we will establish the next higher highs on smaller time frames, and in this case we will be on the overbought territory that usually shows the top of our third wave. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.